In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email subscription form in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're not familiar, Beehiiv is an amazing platform designed to help you grow your audience and manage your email subscriptions seamlessly. Setting up an email subscription form is actually pretty straightforward, so let's break it down step by step. To start, you'll want to log into your Beehiiv account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can easily do that by visiting their website and signing up. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage everything about your newsletters and subscription forms. Now look for the New Forms section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the Forms Management area. This is where the magic happens. Here, you will see an option to create a new form. Go ahead and click on Create New Form. A new window will pop up presenting you with options to choose from. You can select from different templates that Beehiiv offers. These pre-designed templates can help you save time and ensure that your form looks professional. However, if you're feeling creative, you can always start from scratch by choosing the blank template option. Once you've selected your template, the fun part begins. You'll see various fields already in the form, and you can start customizing it. Let's begin with the basics. The first field you typically want to include is the email address field. Click on it, and you can adjust its settings, such as placeholder text, which tells subscribers what you're expecting them to input. For example, enter your email address here. Next, consider adding a first name field. Personalization can be powerful, and having your subscribers share their first name can make your emails feel more personal. Just drag and drop the first name field into your form. Follow the same steps as before to customize that field's placeholder text. Now, depending on your audience, you might want to ask for other information, like interests or preferences. This can help segment your audience for future campaigns. You can create drop-downs, checkboxes, or even multiple choice questions. Experiment with these options to see what fits best for your brand and what information you really want to gather. Once you've added all the fields you want, it's time to focus on the design. A clean, user-friendly design can significantly improve your subscription rates. In the Form Builder, there should be a Design tab where you can change colors, fonts, and overall styles. Choose colors that resonate with your brand identity and ensure that text is easily readable. Now that you have your form looking great, let's move on to setting up your submission settings. This is the part where you'll decide what happens after a subscriber submits their information. You can customize the success message they see, thanking them for subscribing, or even inviting them to check their inbox for a confirmation email. Additionally, you might want to link your form to your email marketing list. This is typically done in the settings area where you can select which list this form should add subscribers to. Make sure to double check that it's connected to the correct list. Just before you finish, let's test your form. You'll usually find a preview button that allows you to see how your form will appear to subscribers. Test all the fields to ensure everything is working as intended. Once you're satisfied with everything, it's time to publish your form. Look for the Publish button, and when you click it, you'll be given options on how to share your form. You'll receive an embed code if you want to place the form on your website, or a link that you can share across your social media or email platforms. And there you have it. You've successfully created an email subscription form in Beehiiv. You're now one step closer to building your audience and connecting with your subscribers. If you need any help, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials